Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make super amazing, delicious fried breadfruit chips. Very much tasty and flavorful. Let's check it out. So first thing guys, before we get started, definitely want to go ahead and wash your breadfruits before you start chopping it in small pieces. So before we go any further guys, you definitely want to go ahead and remove the brown seed layer inside. At this point you definitely want to remove all the skins before you start cutting it in small pieces. There we are guys, at this point you can go ahead and cut it in very small thin slices or any size that you're comfortable using. So guys, if you prefer, you can also go ahead with a bit of long slices as well. Awesome. Here we are guys, my chopped breadfruits. At this point I'm going to go ahead and thoroughly wash them for a few minutes. And you definitely want to go ahead and dry them afterward. Here we are guys, breadfruits has been thoroughly washed. You definitely want to make sure that they're thoroughly dry before you add them to the oil. So here we are guys, my oil is pretty much ready. Make sure that the oil is thoroughly hot. I'm just going to go ahead and add one breadfruits. As you can see, my oil is ready. Cooking time should be under 2 or 3 minutes. So at this point guys, you definitely want to maintain a constant stir. Here we are guys, the breadfruit is pretty much finished here. At this point you do have the option as far as frying them a bit longer. So guys, if you're watching my channel for the first time, definitely welcome to my channel. Do appreciate it. Also please consider subscribing. Also you definitely want to go ahead and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to notify as soon as I upload a new video. So guys, at this point we are all done. As you can see, my chips are pretty much golden brown. Take a look at this guys. At this point you do have the option as far as adding salt, or you can eat it as it is. Totally optional.